Hi, I'm Stephanie Woodman, and I am the author of the newly published Contact Over Truk. And I want to say how much I appreciated and how thankful I was to find Elite Online Publishing. I worked with Jen and Nicole there. They took me by the hand. They led me through the process. And this was an area of self-publishing I did not know. Specifically, it was the launch, and I did not want to make mistakes along that particular pathway. And they were just so calm, so comforting. They knew exactly what to do. They gave me step-by-step instructions, told me what I needed to provide them so that they could give me what I needed for my launch to be successful. When there were issues in the initial uploading and so forth, they were calm, cool, told me this is normal, don't worry about it, this is how we're going to handle it. And they just were, like I said, walked me through it completely. And so it was so comforting. And so my launch, instead of being an incredible, stressful experience, was really a truly enjoyable experience. And we met all of the goals we set out. And that is the whole point of hiring professional organizations like this who have the track record, who have the knowledge, just to take care of me. And so it was wonderful. I highly recommend them.